Kincaid IT is honored to be on the short list of trusted Google for Education partners. We can help your school or entire district get the most out of your Google for Education tools. Getting started is easy. First, complete your purchase of any of the following: Chromebooks, Chrome Education Upgrade, or G Suite Enterprise for Education. Next, select a kit from KincaidIT.com. Our kits are a unique combination of technical G Suite services that allow a district to choose the level of support and services desired. Whether you're just getting started with G Suite or you're looking for a deep dive into your current setup, Kincaid IT is here to help you. To discover which kits are available to you, go to KincaidIT.com. Click on the Services menu and select 2021 Google for Education Services Offer. In the table, you're going to be able to identify which kit is best for your district. To get more information on any of the kits, simply select one and click. You can also continue to scroll down the page and you're going to also find more information about each one of the kits that we have to offer. At Kincaid IT, we understand that not every district is the same, and for this reason, we offer a variety of different IT deployment services to fit your organization's needs. Finally, confirm your selection for Kincaid IT. You must select Kincaid IT as your deployment partner on the form that matches your purchase. Links to these forms can be found on the Kincaid IT website. After all three steps are completed, Kincaid IT and Google will take it from here. A member of our Kincaid IT team will contact you once confirmation from Google has been received. All Google for Education deployment services have to be completed between January 12th and November 30th, 2021. If you have any questions or just want to learn more about Kincaid IT, don't hesitate to get in touch with us.